We can only assume about the outside design if Honda were to produce a motorhome, which is now quite hypothetical. It would probably follow Honda's sleek, contemporary design aesthetic, which prioritizes aerodynamics and usability. In accordance with Honda's amiable, approachable image, it is anticipated to have smoother, less aggressive body lines. Its headlights, taillights, and other lights will probably be LED-equipped, which will give it a contemporary appearance and improve visibility. Wide entryways, lots of windows, potential external storage space, and the ability to integrate solar panels on the roof are all characteristics that the outside design will undoubtedly support. The design will most likely incorporate some simple and practical Japanese elements, considering Honda's design ethos, which frequently prioritizes usability and practicality. Honda is renowned for its high-quality construction and materials. Including Honda's sensing safety features, the company's cutting-edge infotainment system, and maybe other intelligent connection capabilities. Features including a folding bed, swivel seating, and clever storage that can be arranged to suit different purposes. Optimal use of available space given that the vehicle may not be as large as a traditional motorhome. Considering Honda's emphasis on technology and economy, some potential engines to take into account are hybrid gasoline engine. Honda's hybrid technology is well established. To balance performance and fuel efficiency in a motorhome, they may employ a bigger and more potent version of their hybrid system. Honda may look at an economical diesel engine, perhaps in partnership with another manufacturer, if they wish to compete in the motorhome sector, which frequently needs a lot of torque to carry a load. Honda may eventually create an electric motorhome given the worldwide trend toward electrification, but range and charging infrastructure issues will need to be resolved for a vehicle the size of a camper.